So we've just come back to Gumi from Daejeon, and I'm gonna take Mark into a huge toy shop. Which is actually Toys R Us, but the toys here are really awesome.
Just
inside the Lotte Mart in Gumi. Do like the cool Japanese kind of toys that Mark really likes.
Yep.
Been waiting 2 years to come here, Mark. Right, give me your credit card.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of the most of a
Yes, finally. Oh, that's a yes.
I'll go get this.
So we went down the shops, that trip down the shops, and we bought ourselves an electronic power air gun G36C. Whatever that means.
That's a H&K replica
So
of a real thing.
we're gonna open it up and we're gonna have a bit of fun. Because that's what we do. You got some spare bullets as well.
Yep.
Oh.
Should we read the instructions or just throw them away?
We are men. We always throw them away.
Conveniently, they're in Korean as well, so it makes absolutely no difference to us. Right, that means nothing. That's actually quite a fair bit cooler than I thought it would be. Now, these things aren't actually legal in Australia. You can't have one of these. They're a bit different to those gel blasters that everyone's looking at. These actually fire a plastic pellet, which, while it's definitely not lethal, is probably
Take an eye out.
Probably a little antisocial, which is why we bought one. Got safety as well and select fire. We're not going to get ourselves in trouble with this at all. Oh. Should we actually take that somewhere? This is where Paul shoots me in the face.
What? So this is...
So, no, other side. So, now...
So we have a...
Safety.
Safety.
One down is single shot. The next one down is full automatic. So...
I'll do that first.
How far did that go?
That went about 20 meters.
For me to get my gun license, I had to go through a fair bit of safety and legal stuff. And like Paul just waving the thing around, like, not on safety. It's like...
This is why I will never get a gun license.
Ooh.
Let go.
That actually goes a really long way.
Alright, I think we're going to go to the park.
So
we're going into the park to try out the gun. It's a bit of a climb. And it's very, very warm today. So, whew, shouldn't have eaten those free shrimp burgers yesterday at Lotteria. Can feel them. Anyway. So we found a spot in the forest. We're setting up the bottles. The gun's in the bag. Should have brought more bullets.
I did.
Oh, did you?
Silly, not silly.
Yeah. Safety?
Yep.
it feels.
Okay.
Leg.
Leg.
Ow! It stung.
Meh.
Yeah. I'll shoot you later, don't worry. Ow! Ready?
Yep.
That's so cool. Nope. Nope. Yep.
Okay, so...
Whee! That nearly hit me. Whee! Nice one. That's probably 10 meters. Hey! Nice!
It's a lot more accurate than I thought it would be for 60 bucks at that distance.
60 bucks over here would probably be about $200 in Australia. Whee!
Oh, see they... It's a little inconsistent though.
Yeah.
So...
Are you measuring the Earth's speed while you're doing this?
Good point.
Yeah.
Hang on. Now I am.
Yep.
It's like, it's just not that powerful.
I'm going to try to do a, what's his face?
John Wick.
John Wick. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
No.
You ain't Keanu Reeves.
I ain't Keanu Reeves. Wow. You got glasses on, yeah?
Yep. What are you doing? Ah, man. Go.
How did that feel?
Well, you know you've been hit, but I wouldn't say it actually, like, super hurt or anything. This is fine.
Okay, shoot me at full auto. Do it again. I'm getting little acupuncture needles. It didn't hurt, it just like... It felt like hail. If you've ever been inside a hailstorm, that's what it felt like. A small one, a very small one. Well, that concludes our review of a BB gun. Initial review. We're going to bring Lumi and get her to try it out. She missed out because she went shopping. Should have stuck with the cool guys. Anyway, I'm going to head back now and prepare for a hike. We're going to try to hike a trail tonight, which is up that way. Something in the bushes there. Anyway, subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of the most.